Trend pad savers are a simple upgrade that make a big difference. These high-quality hook and loop pad savers provide a sacrificial barrier between the sander and abrasive, protecting your backing pad and extending its life. By reducing heat buildup and vibration, they help your machine run smoother for longer by reducing the strain on the sander's motor and components. They're essential for mesh abrasives and a smart choice for any sanding job with any machine abrasive. A multi-hole design for universal fitment ensures efficient dust extraction across a range of sanding brands and machines. They're available in a range of shapes and sizes to fit different sander profiles. And the durable hook and loop fastening provides a secure hold. Trend pad savers. Protect your tools and improve your finish.